Hi, I'm Sam. And this is Christine. We are a couple from the Isle of Man, and after quitting our jobs and selling everything we owned in 2022, we set out to travel the world for as long as we could. We have already visited some incredible places on our journey so far, but this one was the big one.
Ta-da! Northernmost point of New Zealand.
Join us as we embark on an epic adventure of travelling New Zealand for 2 whole months while navigating and living in a camper van for the very first time.
And that's it. Easy as that.
Exploring some incredible landscapes.
That is what we're looking for.
Hunting for as many Lord of the Rings filming locations as possible,
Dream come true.
with just a few mishaps along the way. A once-in-a-lifetime road trip across Middle-earth, and we cannot wait to take you with us. First stop, Northland.